at the Cook Arts Center on Southwest and Grandville.
Right now this is just grass, but in a few months this will be a beautiful native plant garden.
If we don't have those insects to pollinate, then we won't have fruit. We won't have vegetables. Otherwise, you have to do it all by hand. The bees sting, so you gotta get out of their way. Stepped on a hive and then just had to run real quick to get out of the way.
What do you think of bees?
I don't like them.
Why?
Because they're ugly?
I hate them. They're tight.
Why?
Because they sting you.
I don't like them. I'm allergic to it.
Are bees and butterflies important?
Not to me.
They're important in the whole chain of life.
What are native plants?
Native plants? I don't have any idea.
I don't know.
You wouldn't have that food if we didn't have insects and other animals, but mostly insects to pollinate that food. And so this garden that you guys are doing, it actually supports pollinators.
If a plant or insect is native, then it is originally developed from that area.
Apples, almonds, blueberries, cherries, onions, avocado, orange, grapefruits, and pumpkins.
And that's only 10. There's hundreds of food. Almost every fruit and vegetable you can think of is pollinated by some bee.
These underpollinated fruits and vegetables may be undeveloped, not grown enough, deformed, or if they did not receive enough pollination, may not exist at all. This is like a deformed apple type thing.
Why is it deformed?
Because it didn't get enough pollination. And here's a pollinated apple.
That looks good.
Parts of China, there's so much pollution they killed off all their pollinators.
They have to pollinate on their own, so they carry pots of pollen and paintbrushes and paint the pollens on.
They're adapted to this environment. They can handle our harsh winter. They can handle our water requirements. The grass, which is not native, like this out your lawn here. Look at how shallow those roots are.
Colony collapse disorder is when there's lots of bee colonies all over the country and they're just disappearing.
In July, that thing will be flowering. And I tell you, there are butterflies and bees and hummingbirds all over this thing. They love it.
So we worked with the Wawas, and Mr. Brugank gave us this blueprint for the garden and all the plants that was going to be in it.
We're going to put them like this so we can get more pollinators.